Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Sierra. This is She Is C, and welcome to my channel. This is my first video, so please be nice. I'm going to be doing a simple makeup look with warm tones, just something from the Jaclyn Hill palette. And if you are ready to see this video, then keep watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to use is my Urban Decay Primer Potion. I use this just to make sure that the moisture of my eyes are sealed and locked in, only because I have hooded eyes, and this is a great product.
Do you love me? Do you need me?
Next, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow base just because I want my eyeshadow to pop.
Do you want me? Do you love me?
Alright, now here's the fun part. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and pop that berry color into our eyelids. I'm going to start it off in my crease, and then I'm going to work it up just a tad above my crease because I have hooded eyes and I want it to show.
Do you love me?
Alright, next I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to use as a base to cut crease, so that way we can add that other color.
Do you want me?
Right, on top of that concealer, I'm going to be putting the color Pookie or Pukey. I don't know which one you say it as. I'm going to take that brownish color and just pop it on top of that concealer.
Do you need me? Do you want me? Do you love me?
And now that I've finished my face off camera, I'm going to take that same berry color in Jax and just put it under my eyes. Next, I'm going to be using that NYX eyeliner just to add a wing and a little bit of depth. And then I'm going to pop that with some mascara at the end.
Do you love me? Do you want me? Do you love me? Do you love me? Do you love me?
For the highlight in the inner corner, I'm just going to use that shimmery goldish color in the color Queen. And for lipstick, I was just using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Seattle. And I just pop that all over my lips. And there you have it, my first tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like this video and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.